Come, I think this might be our second last video, and basically all we're going to be looking. I think the site's been looking good up to now. If you've arrived to this point, it's been good. So now we're just going to look at the responsiveness, how um, to sort out the responsiveness of the site. Basically, when we're speaking about responsiveness, we are looking at how the website looks on a mobile device, basically. And what you do is just inspect element, and you can see what Bootstrap, what also with your in your Chrome inspect element, you have an option of mobile view there, and then you can just pick whatever you want to see, and just leave it there on S5. It doesn't really matter. You just pick a mobile, but you can see that on our phone. What else? Our site looks great on a normal device, on a screen, if I may say, but on a mobile device there it's does not look so great. So we need to fix that. And I just wanted to show you something. This line of code here, you need to make sure that this line of code is there on the viewport meta tag there, is added with these values, because that's basically what triggers the responsiveness. Not what triggers, but what leads to the responsiveness. If I take it off, you'll see that my site is not responsive. Everything, okay, some part is responsive, but most of it is not responsive because it does not pick that the view has actually changed. So you need to make sure that it's there. All right. So now what we can do, what I do, what is um, trademark. That's what everyone does, I guess. So what we're going to do is we're gonna create a file for that only deals with responsiveness in our CSS. Then we'll just create a new file. We'll call it responsive.css, right? And I'm gonna and basically in responsiveness there's different so basically it's instructions that you giving the website on what to do. CSS instructions or proper is the change of CSS properties on different views, on different sizes, screen sizes. So we need to set up and say, by this screen size, this is what I want you to do at a certain screen size, basically. So what we'll do is we'll say at media, like that, right? And then we add in our query, and our query is going to be max width, meaning that this query will run until the width is more than 767 pixels. So at 700, any size below 67 pixel, the what this basically the bunch of codes that I'm going to put here will run. Okay, I think maybe we'll do something only on that. Yeah, so I'm gonna write my codes here that are going to change how the website basically look when the width, as you can see here on my screen, the X5 width there is 360 pixels, meaning that it's less than 767. So once we get to that point, what what the code will do is that it will overwrite anything in CSS with the codes here, meaning that if I change commands here, it will overwrite the commands that are previously added on style.css. I hope that makes sense. So if it does not make sense, I'm just going to show you a quick example. Um, so, and the next important thing is that we need to make sure that our responsive.css, because we want it to override the style.css, will add it at the bottom, or it will run after our style.css. So I'll put it here, responsive. Yeah. So we're adding it there, and yeah, after our style. Come here and refresh. you see that nothing happened because there's actually nothing in our response.css. So all I'll do for now is I'll just change the background of the body. We'll say background color. Let's make it black. All right, and then when we save, you see that when the screen size changes, the what yeah, you see that the background also changed. And now I'm just gonna show you, and you should be able to see that. So if we come here and we pick body, select the body there, you'll see that the background color here has been overwritten by the background color in responsive.css. So the background of style of in style.css has been overwritten by that. And let's just do some. Let me just show you some examples here. So let's say custom. Let's say responsive, and then we're gonna customize the size here. Let's say 760. At 760, as you can see, the background is still what? It's still the same. It's still black. It's still responding fine. 67, as you can see, is still responding accordingly. All right, and then as soon as you go 68, bah, you see the responsiveness as is not triggered anymore at 68 because we only go our maximum width is 767. All right, I hope that made sense. And next we're gonna go and install this for our phone so that it will look very nice on the phone. All right.